Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to remove extension from Google Chrome. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Chrome. Now to remove extension, first of all on the top right you will find these three dots. Click on this and go to this extension. After that, click on this manage extensions. Now over here you can see these are all the extensions installed on my laptop. Now to remove anyone from here, you can just select the one. For now, I'll go with this free VPN. If I want to remove this, over here you can see here is remove. I'll click on this and now over here you can find here is pop-up. Just click on this remove and over here you can see are you sure? I'm sure to continue. Just click on this continue and now just select anyone from here. Now I'll go with this last one and just continue. So in this way we can remove extension from Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.